This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, one and all. So, guys, in our last session, we understood the way how to build a annual leave, right? Time account functionality. So, as per the customer's business process, I mean to say, as per the customer set some boundaries or restrictions, annual leave is 24 days per annum. It means monthly 2 days, and employees who may join in the month of whatever the higher month, 1 to 15, he or she is eligible to get 2 days, else 1 day, right? And we added a couple of boundaries or restrictions and we achieved the requirement finally. So let me navigate once again the same screen, guys. So let me go by for time being one test employee, Pablo Jockey, and let me navigate to manage data, time account type, right? This is the one which we configured in our last session and we executed a couple of calendars, right? 2024 and 2025. Now remember, guys, we enabled one functionality, balance cannot fall below. That means employees can able to request a negative balance against X quota. We added that functionality under annual leave. It means what? As a employee, you can able to request your annual leave balance additionally more 10 days. But these 10 days are comes under negative balance, nothing but loss of pay. But still you can able to request. Now let me show you guys. Time management for the current year, you can able to see 10 days balance. Why? Right now we are at in the fifth month, monthly 2 days, Jan to May, 5 months, 5 into 2, 10 days, correct, right? So the remaining balance is future accrual, future balance, guys. So click on administer time, click on time accounts. It's admin view. Let me go by annual leave 2025, guys. See here, these are the feature postings. That means 7 months, guys. So after 2 days, next time you can able to see the feature postings are six only. Why? Because half of the year is over. Six months are over means the remaining 6 months only you are eligible to get a quota. Now, how much balance it is showing? 10 days, right? Keep in our mind. So this planned accruals is nothing but the future balance. How much you are eligible to get in the future? How much you are going to get in the future is nothing but planned accruals, right? Keep in our mind. Now let me click on create options. Now see, guys, for other time types you can't able to see this particular box, guys. You can't able to see the available balance. Why? Because as of now sick leave, casual leave and vacation leave just time types. As of now just they are time types only. Coming to annual leave, apart from time type, we configure time account type functionality, some quota. That's why as of today you are eligible to get 10 days quota, but still you can able to request 20 days. Why? 10 days from your quota, right to request. 10 days you are borrowing from the company, the negative balance. So that is nothing but balance cannot fall below functionality. Now let me show you, guys, for time being. Let me pick here May 1st to May 29th. Now see, guys, 21 days if I'm trying to request, sorry, you cannot request 21 days. The reason behind, you have got only 10 days of the leave left, nothing but from your quota. Your leave balance must not fall below 10 days. From your quota, you can able to request 10 days because the available balance is 10 days. Additionally, you can able to request more 10 days, the negative balance, because we enable this functionality. 10 plus 10, how much? 20. But here I'm trying to request 21 days. That's why you got the error message. Okay, let me go back up to yesterday. No error message, right? So the possibility interview question, guys. Even my balance is available in the quota 10 days, but still I can able to request 15 days. How it is possible? Then you have to mention that this is the functionality behind. Might be at the time of they are going to configure the time account type, balance cannot fall below. They added some number of days, 5 days, 6 days, 10 days, whatever. Right? Apart from your quota, still you can able to request the negative balance as well. And one more thing, guys. See guys, if I'm trying to request May 31st, May 31st fall in Saturday, your request time of must include at least one work day is nothing but, hope you remember, in the time type configuration, right, you cannot request on the non-working days. So non-working days means either day offs or public holiday. Saturday, Sunday day offs. In case if you are trying to request on June 5th, hope you remember, we added one public holiday in the month of June 5th. See guys, same message. Even though you are going to get 12 days balance by the month of June, but you are trying to request a leave on day off, sorry, public holiday, right? This is the mechanism, guys. Automatically system itself is going to enable such kind of messages, error messages. Yet to discuss in the upcoming sessions, don't worry. Now, let's move on to the next one, guys. Sick leave time account, right? Now, so as per the customer's business process, right, there is no boundaries or restrictions, guys. If you have any boundaries or restrictions, you can maintain accordingly at the time of you are going to build a logic. Now, as per the customer's business process or company leave policy, every employee is eligible to get a sick leave per month 1 day. It means max 12 days. Max 12 days per month 1 day. And the possibility, 1 or 2% possibility, there might be few customers in the globe, they are expecting such kind of mechanism like sick leave is applicable for CEO, some other pay grade. For example, in your customer's requirement, pay grade functionality is available. Let's assume that you have around 1 to 10 different pay grades in your company, guys. Right? One for CEO pay grade, one for VP level, one for middle management, one for assistant manager level, one for manager level, one for apprentice level, etc. 1 to 10 pay grades. Right? In case in your customer's requirement, 1 to 5 pay grade is applicable for sick leave 18 days and 5 to 10 pay grades 12 days. If it's a days format, days. Hours format means 8 hours, right? We are using our software example, 8 hours. 144, 96 hours. If it's a hours format. Days format means 18 days, 12 days. Right? So if there is no such kind of prompts or any restrictions or boundaries, you can able to build a logic straight away, guys. If they mention any requirement as per the company policy or leave policy, etc. So as per the pay grade, 1 to 5, 18 days, 5 to 10, 12 days. It means what? You need to call two if logics over there. If conditions. Condition A, 1 to 5. Else if, one more condition, 5 to 10 scenario. You belongs to pay grade 1 to 5, you are going to get 18 days or 144 hours per annum. You belongs to 5 to 10, you are going to get 12 days or 96 hours per annum. So this is the mechanism, right? So in our yesterday session which we come across, the frequency is monthly, right? In today's session, let me go by annual frequency. Let me cover the possibility frequencies, guys. Majority of the cases monthly and annually. So let me go by annual frequency. So rule number 1, you need to check whether time type is available or not. If yes, then concentrate on time account type. This is the mechanism, guys. Once it is done, map time account type to time type, and again map time type to time profile, time type to time profile. right? So this is the mechanism, guys, don't forget. Let me duplicate. Time type, see we have sick leave, right? Yes. See, it is a hours format, guys. Keep in our mind. Have a look, hours format, right? Don't worry, keep it aside. So time type got ready. Now let me create a time account type. Whenever, wherever in your customer's business process or business requirement against any time type or options type, the quota days functionality is available, either quota, days or hours format. I mean to say, if the quota functionality is available, then you are responsible for time account type. And this time account type will be executable purely based on the rules. Purely based on the rules. Hope you remember in our yesterday session, which we already come across, hire rule, termination rule, accrual rule, PEP rule, interim account update rule, etc. So right now I'm focusing on these three rules, guys. We had to discuss these two as well. Don't worry. Hire means whatever the logic you build. The moment you are going to hire an employee, click on submit the last button, guys. After compensation information, click on submit. Any business rule you assigned for approvals, once all the approvals are done, whatever the higher rule you written under this particular time account type, that time it will execute. Never ever. Whenever if you are going to put down the papers, that time termination rule. Until that you are an existing employee. After hire, you are an existing employee in the company. Until unless you are going to put down the papers, you will keep on getting every month 2 days or per annum directly some balance to your account, etc. PEP means carry forward functionality. These two we yet to discuss. Now let me create one time account type very quickly, guys. So time type got ready. If time type is not available, create time type first and time account type. And one more important thing, guys. So a couple of days back, someone raised a query. Is time account type mandatory? No. If quota functionality is applicable, then time account type mandatory, guys. Keep in our mind. It means time type is applicable. Any quota concept came to the picture, then you are responsibility to create a time account type. Coming to sick leave, guys, in our example sick leave, as per the customer's business process, sick leave per annum 12 days, applicable for every employee in the company, top CEO to bottom clerical level, else as per their business needs. Now let me create one time account type, guys. If there is no quota, no need to create time account type. Only time type is enough. Nothing but options type. External name, sick leave, unit. Unit is hours right here, hours. Account creation type. Same like yesterday, guys. Recurring. Recurring means repeated, renewal, valid for exactly 12 months. Jan 1st to December 31st. Else, April 1st to March 31st. Payout eligibility not eligible. Paid processing automation, no automation. If you are trying to enable automation, means system will take care of that responsibility. Either you can't do anything, I can't do anything, right? So don't touch automation. Then accrual frequency period. How you would like to post a balance? Accrual frequency period. How you would like to post a balance? On weekly basis, every 7 days once, bi-weekly every 14 days once, monthly twice monthly every 2 months once, annually one time, or daily basis, right? So let me go by this time annual functionality, guys. Now don't panic. See, these many fields are available, guys. Now entitlement method, entitle as accrued. That means you can able to request a balance, right? Whatever system is going to generate to your account, correct, right? How much balance is there in your account? That much balance only you can able to transfer to someone in the right in your network. For example, in your bank account, $10,000 are available. You can able to transfer $10,000 only. You can't transfer 15,000, right? Same to same. Whatever the balance system is going to post to the respective employee's account, that much balance only you can able to request a leave. And when accrual rule data effective date is nothing but when, right? This is the one, guys. You can use this field to determine which date the job information is read when the hire rule or accrual. So as per the job information, whatever the time profile is assigned to, under the time profile, whatever the time types you mapped, right? Accordingly, system is going to post a balance. Always month starting. Accruable start date means month starting, not for the month end. Simulate accruals. Feature balance, you can't able to request if you can set as no. If you enable yes, this is the one. Same to same like yesterday, guys. So this one we had to discuss. This one, some other scenario, this one. Now let me build a higher rule, termination rule, accrual rule. Accruals based on standard, no automation. Now, no payout eligibility annually. Now, I'm going to cover this functionality right away, guys. Now, meanwhile, account creation start date. Account valid from day or month. Top of the screen, system itself is going to enable three more fields automatically. See, account creation automation, no automation. Account valid from day. Day means day of a month. 1. Account valid from month. Month of a year. Right? 1 means January 1st. Your creation type is recurring. The recurring mechanism, guys, exactly 12 months. January 1st to 12 months means what? December 31st, whatever the year. That year we can control via calendar's execution. If I'm trying to set as here 1/4 means April 1st. 12 months means what? Next year, March 31st. Right? Is it January 1st to December 31st calendar or April 1st to March 31st? That you will come to know as per the customer business needs. 99% 1-1 combination, 1% possibility that to customers who belongs to country India, 1/4 possibility. Posting order yesterday which we come across this functionality, right? So now I'm going to cover this block, guys. Yesterday we covered this block, first block, newest first by, oldest first by. Now I'm going to cover the second block. Country or region, no carry forward rule, guys. Enable time shot snapshots allowed. Just if you want, we can enable, else leave it as blank. Balance cannot fall below, we covered in our yesterday session. Interim account update rule we had to discuss. Then external code. External code is sick leave. Some code, guys. Account retention group is nothing but in order to remove all these time types from your employees account permanently, you need to create one group, guys. See, just you need to create a group. It is applicable for, right, data retention management. Hope you remember purge process, right? In order to purge, right, those inactive employees or terminated employees respective time account from the system permanently, you need to create a account retention group and account detail retention group, guys. Basically, these three are optional. No need to worry. If you want, please click on this help symbol. Still, if you are unable to understand, just you can convert into Chat GPT or AI tool, guys. Simple English is available, but still. Now, the very important field, guys. Account booking offset months. What do you mean by that? Very rare combination we are going to enable this field, guys. Let me demonstrate you what do you mean by that. Account booking offset months, right? If I'm trying to set positive numbers only, if I'm trying to set 3 means 3 months, 6 means 6 months, 9 means 9 months, 12 means 12 months, 24 means 24 months, nothing but 2 years. It means what, you know, guys, as a employee you can able to request the current year account balance next 24 months. I will explain simple way. For example, SL 2025. So basically this functionality is not applicable for sick leave, guys. So that's why let me go by annually. It is not applicable first of all. Why? Because there is no sick leave balance to use for next 2 years, 3 years, etc. functionality as of today in the market. It is valid for that particular year only. Coming to the scenario, annual leave account 2025. In the annual leave account 2025, if I'm trying to enable this functionality as per the customer's business needs, 3 months means what, you know, guys. You can able to request annual leave 2025, right, till March 31st, 2026. Now you have a query. Coach, 12 months, no, as you mentioned, but you enabled this field, right? If you didn't enable this field or if you did not touch this field, standard validity. Now let me reveal two important fields, guys. Account validity, booking possibility. We have two fields, guys, where you can able to see. Let me navigate any test employee, click on time accounts, select any account, guys. See here, account validity, booking possibility. Bookable period is nothing but booking possibility. Standard system, both are 12 months. Your account validity is 1 year. Within the 1 year, you can able to request a leave. Correct, right? Your validity is 1 year, account validity. Within that 1 year only, you can able to request a leave. Any balance is available, either carry forward, leave encashment, close the time account, that is different story. But there is a mechanism name called account booking offset months is nothing but if you are trying to enable this functionality with some number, either 3 months, 6 months, 4 months, whatever the number, it means as an employee, I can able to request that particular account. I mean, say for example, annual leave balance, 2025 balance up to March 31st, 2026. Let me go by the standard behavior, guys. Standard behavior. Account validity 12 months. Same to same booking possibility as well. It means 2025, for example, January 1st, 2025 to December 31st, 2025. Same mechanism here also. In case account booking offset months functionality got enabled in your customer's requirement. What was the number, guys? Either 3 or 6 or 9 or 12, whatever the number. So it is nothing but custom behavior. Account validity 12 months. So January 1st, 2025 to December 31st, 2025. Booking possibility, which number you mentioned here, is it 3 months or 6 months or 9 months or 12 months? Okay, for example, 3 months you enabled over here. For example, 3 means 3 months. If I'm trying to specify here, guys, some number, 3 means plus 3. 3 means plus 3. If you'd like to differentiate, negative means you need to specify minus. For positive, just number is enough. System can able to understand it's a plus, right? Now, so it means what? 15 months, correct, right? 12 months standard behavior, but additionally you are going to enable here 3 more months. So 12 plus 3, 15 months. It means what? You can able to request your Jan 2025 balance up to March 31st, 2026. If you have such kind of requirement, I mean to say, for example, there is a leave name called recreation leave. Recreation. I mean to say you want to take some rest. Past 6 months without any day off, without any festival, continuously you worked with X customer and you deliver the software to your customer on date. Just example I'm telling. So if you are trying to request a recreation leave, right from the quota 30 days, any balance is available. If you would like to request that balance into after 1 year or 2 years or etc., in case in your customer's requirement such kind of mechanism is available, I mean to say account booking offset months 24 months. It means what? You can able to request 2025 annual leave balance, sorry, recreation leave balance up to, apart from 12 plus 24, guys, not directly 24. Your standard 12 months plus 24. This is the meaning of that. Don't go by straight away 24. It means what? Total 3 years you can able to request a leave, right? 2025 default. Additionally 24 months means 2026, 2027. So this is the mechanism. It's a purely depends upon the customer needs, right? So I'm not going to enable this functionality for time being. Why? Because it's not the right one, first of all. Yeah, tell me, someone had a query, please.
Yeah, Bhargav, I'm having a query over here.
Uh-huh,
For example, in Indian PSUs, they were having earned leave.
uh-huh,
Every year, some 12 days they are giving, and they
uh-huh,
were keeping a ceiling of 300 as accumulation.
uh-huh,
Whether they are taking leave or not, that leave will be accumulated
uh-huh.
till their entire service. Once it is
Mm-hmm.
reaches 300, they will
Mm-hmm.
insist the employee to do the encashment or partial encashment, full encashment or partial encashment.
Okay.
That kind of scenario, how we will carry in this success factor.
No, 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 no. Your query is correct, but that is not my requirement here. My requirement goes to, that is different
Hmm.
scenario. My
Hmm.
question goes to here, in our customer's business needs, any particular time account type contains any custom account validity, like this particular time account you can able to request next 2 years, next 3 months additionally, next 9 months additionally, etc. Then you need to introduce this particular field, else don't touch. That is my intent. That is my intention.
So basically, we are extending the period for the validity
Period.
period.
Exactly. The balance you can able to request additionally 3 more, 6 more, 9 more, 12 more, 24 months. Indirectly, we are going to extending that booking possibility more 3 months, more 6 months, more 9 months, 12 months, 24 months. That's it. Clear, right?
Okay, clear, clear.
That scenario we'll discuss. Don't worry. Now, where it is? Yeah. So this functionality is not applicable for sick leave, guys. For your kind information, any country, not applicable, right? Any other time accounts you can, not for sick leave, but I'm covered this field as well for time being. Keep it aside. Now, if you are trying to enable this particular functionality, some number either 3 or 6 or 9, etc., that time you need to choose the second block, else standard block. In the second block also, always we go by oldest to first by only. That means whatever the balance you received from your previous year account to current year account, system is going to deduct from that account first, guys. That we can't able to see. That the mechanism is available in the success factors. That is my intention. As I told you in the last session, right? Your current year balance 24. Last year balance you received carry forward 10 days. Total how much balance is available in your account? 34. If you are trying to request a leave 14 days or 15 days, in the background system is going to deduct 10 days from your old account, remaining 5 days from your current account. This is the mechanism. If you can go by oldest first by validity period, standard behavior, right? Any custom behavior, nothing but if you are going to enable this particular field, some number 3 months, 6 months, etc., this block, newest first by bookable period or oldest first by bookable period, but always recommended oldest first by. I'm not enabling, right? That's why I'm picking this one. If you are going to enable this field for some other time account type, please enable this functionality. Now let me build a logic, guys. So any other fields, guys? Only automation we had to discuss, and here couple of fields we had to discuss. Now let me build a logic. First, let me build a logic, guys. It's a very simple one. Higher rule. So out of these three, at least you need to build one logic, then only you can able to save the record, guys. If you want, you can try for save record. If accrual frequency period is filled, you must fill at least one accrual termination or higher rule. Because you mentioned here my account creation type is recurring or something, right? Make sure you need to fill at least one rule over here, even though not a mandatory fields. Now click on plus icon, guys. It take me to straight away under time management, business rules, guys. Straight away time management under accrual tab. So sick leave, if any input conditions are available in your business requirement, then look for if logic. If input logic, then so and so outcome. There is no proper outcome, nothing but unconditional, universal requirement. You can go by straight away. Doesn't matter whether you belongs to country India, US, UK, Australia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Saudi Arabia. The language is equal to English US. Then why do you need to query here your country of birth or region of birth, so and so, etc.? Default language called English US. In case in your customer's requirement, if your country of birth is Saudi, Saudi is Arabic, your language. Else if country of birth India, Hindi. Else if country of birth US, US English. So this is the mechanism. Same to same. In our customer's business process, coming to the sick leave mechanism, okay, let me go by this the way. For pay grade, CEO grade, top management grade, etc., eligible for 18 days. I mean to say hours, whatever. Else, one more if condition. How can we query means? If input logic under user, in order to query any of the portlet guys like job information, employment information, person information, etc., click on user. Right, come down slowly. There is a portlet name called job information portlet, letter J, job information, expand. Right, so do you have any field in the name of pay grade? So we have same requirement in my customer's business process guys. Pay grade is equal to, just example I'm telling, any pay grades are available. Okay, something vice president or same to same user job information pay grade. Let us assume the above one is CEO or top management. Then create time account details. Else if one more condition. Same. If you have one more, else if one more condition. Else if means more than one if condition. Nothing but input logic. There is no input condition common for every employee in the organization, top CEO to bottom clerical level, eligible to get per annum 12 days or 96 hours in the hours format. Always true, unconditional. Then create time account. This is the one guys. Time account, click on time account is these three dots, three bars. These are the 5 fields yesterday which we come across, each and every field detailed manner. Posting date, when you would like to post a balance. Date, accrual rule parameters. Now can anyone guide me on this? Here my frequency is annual. Now anyone is guide me on this guys? So what is my accrual parameters? Is it accruable start date or accrual start date? Which one is the recommended one? Accrual. Without accrual means, I mean say start date means accrual, not accruable. Guys, any idea? Accruable or accrual? Don't say A or B.
It's
Come again.
Accrual start
Correct.
date.
Why? Correct. Why?
After end of the period, we are extending the leave extension, right?
No. That is different story. I told you in the last session, if your frequency is other than annual, it is accruable. That means weekly, the frequency, bi-weekly, monthly, twice monthly, daily. It means your frequency may have repetition. Week start end, next week start end, up to 1 year. So if that frequency is a repetition, repeated, right, accruable, either start date or end date. If it is a monthly, accruable start date means what? Month first. I mean, say, for example, January 1st. Accruable end date means what? For example, January ending, nothing but either 30 or 31st, system is going to post a balance. Coming to annual frequency, these two dates are recommended. Here start date means accrual start date like January 1st, end date means December 31st, whatever the year. Right? This is the mechanism. But when you are using the frequency annual, you can able to use accruable start date or accrual start date supporting. But recommendation is this start date only. Whatever you mention is the answer is correct, but still you can able to refer this date as well. Why? Because one start, one end. Right? That's why you can use this start date or this start date, but recommendation is this start date only. Because the frequency is accrual. Amount posted, same to same. Right? 12 days, not 12 days, I think 1 day means what is our unit, right? Unit as hours. So 8. So here 8 means not a days, please. Okay, for that posting unit, time account type, unit. At the time of you are going to configure this time account type functionality, whatever the unit you enabled, So what is our unit in our requirement? Hours. It means system is going to keep on posting 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours per month. But our frequency is what? Annual frequency. Annual means what? 12 months. 12 into 8 means what? 96 hours. If it's a monthly, yes, the same requirement you can apply for the monthly as well, guys. That time you need to set as 8 over there, hours. Days means just one day. Number one, keep in our mind. So 96 is not a days, please. 96 hours. Posting unit as hours. Generate external code for time off. Posting type is accrual. Adding. Click on save. Same like yesterday, guys. That's it. But these are our annual frequency. Yesterday, which we come across monthly frequency. Now let me apply for higher rule. Same for accrual rule. No difference at all. Annual, right? Any difference, you need to build a separate logic for termination time, etc. So any other important fields over here, guys? Have a look. No. Click on save. So it's not an error, guys. It's a confirmation message because you mentioned account creation type is recurring. Recurring means valid for 12 months. It means system is going to stating that is there any carry forward functionalities available. For timing, click on yes. Yet to discuss. We'll go by separate concept. Now your time account type got ready, guys. So what is your next responsibility? I told you, no, you need to map your time account type to respective time type. So this is your time type, right? You can take action, make correction, and you can assign here, or else one more option, guys. One more option, plan B. Manage data via time profile. Also we can able to assign, guys, via time profile. Yesterday we assigned via time type respective time account type. Let me go by plan B today. So what is our time profile, guys? Whatever the time profile, take action, make correction. Sorry, we are not adding any new time type, right? Existing time type only, right? See, for existing time type only, click on view time type, click on edit. If you are not quite comfortable, you can go by regular navigation, like navigate to time type, sick leave, take action, make correction. Process remains same. Come down slowly, time account type, some external code, and posting priority via business rules. You need to enable this functionality. Once you are trying to assign a time account type, it means what? This time account type means respect to sick leave quota you are eligible to get, right? After system is going to executable these business rules only. Now click on save. Now see, why you are getting this error, guys? Can anyone guide me on this? Wantedly I added that functionality, but anyone guide me on this? Why you got this error? No idea? I told you yesterday. Okay, let me recap. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, remember, guys, for the respective time type may have any quota, your responsibility to create a time account type. Make sure the time type duration display according to either work schedule or deduction quantity, not for calendar days. If your time type may have calendar days functionality, you can't able to assign a time account type. I told you yesterday. See, this is the example. Either work schedule or deduction quantity, then only you can able to assign your time account type. That is a mechanism, right? These are all the interview questions. See, you can able to assign the respective time account type via time profile to time type or directly time type. Let me refresh. Here also you can able to see. The moment if you are trying to map with respect to time type, guys, automatically at employee level, you can able to see 0 days. You can open any of your test employee to whom you assign time profile data. So we assign 2 employees, one male, one female. Click on time management. Now you can able to see 0 hours sick leave because it's a hours format. If it's a days format, you can able to see like this way. Why 0 hours? You configured, but you didn't execute any calendars, right? Calendars is your responsibility because you are executing the manual way. Automation means system will take care of that. Now, let me navigate same to same like yesterday, guys. Manage time of calendars. Calendars. We are responsible for majorly 2 jobs. One is account creation, second one is balance posting. Click on new calendar. Let me create account creation, guys. Account creation, let me go by SL 2024-25. You can able to create accounts more than 1 year. If you can click on drop down, if you feel more time account types are available, just you can search by your name, guys. This is my time account type, sick leave. You can able to create time accounts more than 1 year, but posting only 1 year at a stage. You can't post a balance more than 1 year, guys. Save and simulate means test run. See, I'm selecting here calendar January 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2024. That means 24 months. Nothing but 2 years, right? If you want, you can go by past 10 years, 20 years also. January 1st, 2022, December 31st, 2025. System itself is going to create 20 different time accounts. Employees who joined that time to till today, system is going to display those accounts. You joined in the last year, you can't able to see 2020 to 2023 because you joined 24, right? So this is the mechanism. Save means live run. Save and simulate means test run. Click on save. Ready to run. Again run means live run. Simulate means test run. Now, meanwhile, okay, let me execute first. Click on finish. Here you can able to see the outcome, guys. Time accounts created 4. Why? Because for 2 years we have 2 employees, Pablo Jockey and someone McDonald something etc. Some lady. So 2024 one account, 2025. Same fashion this lady. Total 4 accounts. Now let me click on new calendar accrual. Accrual means to post a balance. Balance we can't post more than 1 year at a stretch, guys, for your kind information. Let me post a balance 2024 first. So not required 2020. Okay. December 31st, 2024. Always remember with recalculation. So tomorrow if you are going to, right? If you are trying to modify, I mean, so the logic if you are trying to modify or if you are trying to add from 2 days to 2.5 or 2.5 to 2 days or whatever, the logic change, you can able to click on rerun button on the background, guys. On the back side against each calendar, you can able to see under actions rerun. Now, why you can able to see only one calendar here, guys? Yesterday, system is going to display the same functionality 12 calendars. The reason behind the frequency is monthly. So 12 months in a year. Coming to annual, one calendar only, January 1st to December 31st, whatever the year. Click on save. Click on run. Meanwhile, let me create one more accrual, guys. SL 2025. January 1st, December 31st with recalculation, save. This is the advantage. Recalculation button, run. Meanwhile, if you want, you can able to check the outcome over here, guys. Click on finish and 2 records you can able to see. If you would like to know For example, you assign this time profile in your customer's requirement 500 employees. You can able to see accruals created 500. Straight away answer, right? If you would like to know the 500 employees details, guys, just place a cursor. The hand icon is coming. Once hand icon is coming, click on that. You can able to see the outcome over here. See, 96 hours per annum. 96 hours. Daniel A. McDonald and Pablo Jockey for 2024, guys. 2024. Now let me go by this employee, guys. Let me refresh. Now you can able to see 96 hours sick leave, guys. Click on administer time, nothing but admin view. Click on time accounts. Now see, sick leave 2025, sick leave 2024, guys. If I'm trying to click on sick leave 2025, every time system is going to generate one unique external code. What is the significance of this external code? We had to discuss. Hope you remember, as I told you in our day one, I mean say time of session one, we have total 7 objects under time of functionality which we are responsible. In that 6, primarily we need to configure. One is standard behavior. That means standard object is available in the name of time account. If you would like to know X employee particular time account, this is the way we can able to search, guys. For example, how system is going to post a balance against this employee. You need to navigate manage data time account, search by this external code. You will come to the cluster clear picture, guys. We had to discuss, please wait. And here time account type is sick leave, the type of account is recurring, validity January 1st to December 31st, that means 1 year validity. Your account validity is 1 year, booking possibility is 1 year, the frequency is annual. We have only one record by January 1st itself, system is going to post a balance. Right? So this is the annual frequency mechanism. You can convert according to your business requirement, either weekly or bi-weekly, monthly. If it's hourly basis to days base or days to hourly conversion, whatever you want. Right? Now, casual leave time account. Let me go by casual leave behavior, guys. Let me call for different requirement over here. Casual leave. So we have a casual leave, right? Yes. Casual leave time type is there, but there is no time account type. So let me open here time type, casual leave. Let me create time account type. So let me reveal, guys. I got the same requirement for 3 different customers, guys. Same requirement, days might be differ, but requirement is 99% similar. Requirement is 99% similar for 3 different customers, but number of days might be differ. Days might be differ. So let me reveal the business requirement first, guys. So here we are going to discuss each and every time account type separately, but coming to the live scenario, you are going to get your client means, I mean to say your customer or clients, company options and leave policy contains a PDF document or Word document around 30 to 40 pages document. So they are going to define point 1, 1.1, subpoint like that way. So those are technically we used to call boundaries or restrictions or some prompt information. So coming to the casual leave, customer is stating that I would like to post a balance against each and every employee's account on behalf of casual leave, right? Based on the employee hire month. Based on the employee hire month. I mean to say, if someone may join in the month of January, you are going to get the full year balance. Whatever the casual leave. For example, in my customer's requirement, casual leave is 30 days, guys, max. 30 days is the max in one customer. In one customer's requirement, 24, guys. In one customer's requirement, 28 max. Right? So now let me go by the first requirement, guys. If so, it's a purely depends upon employee who joins in the month of, I mean say based on the employee hire month. Someone who may join in the month of January, some balance, right? February, some balance. March and April, not for monthly guys. March and April, let me reveal the requirement guys. This is the requirement: January, February, March or April, not and. They used to call and, but your understanding should be or guys. And means how one employee can able to join both the months. Doesn't make sense, right? Either March or April. Then May, June or July, right? Or August. Then September, October or November. And finally December. 7 or 8 guys, if I'm not wrong, plus or minus, I think 7 or 8 scenarios. I mean say they differentiate all these 12 months into 7 different blocks, 7 or 8 blocks. Here we got 8 blocks, right? I think 7 or 8 if I'm not wrong. Okay. So employee who joins in the month of January, they are going to get 30 days guys, straight away 30 days, right? For the month of February, they are going to get 27.5 days. I know in your mind some calculation is started in the mind, correct? So 30 days means what? Per month, just example I am telling, 2.5 days. So 12 Jan means anyway you can work for up to December. Don't go by negative way. Coach, in case who knows employee may leave the organization after June month 6, that is secondary. So you join in the month of January, whatever the date, higher month is January, right? You can work for next 12 months, you are going to get 30 days. 12 into 2.5. And February 27.5. For March or April guys, for March or April, customer is stating that 24. You may join March month or April month, you are going to get 24 only. Coming to May month, you are going to get 20 days only. And coming to June or July or August, right? Keep in our mind. 18 days. For September month, guys. September month. September, October, November, December. Right? 15. Right? Here 8 days. Here 3 days. So number of days might be differ from customer to customer. Don't worry. Right? Whatever the days, you need to analyze the customer's business requirement first. Days is in your hand only. You can add 30. So for December employee also, if you'd like to give 10 days, you can give while you are doing testing. That's not a big deal. Right? So what is your customer's business requirement? Against casual leave time account, I would like to post for each and every employee based on their higher month in a year. First time means you joined in the month of February. So for you first year, right? Next year you're an existing employee. Next year you are an existing employee. So this year you join in the month of February, you are going to get 27.5 days. Someone who may join in the month of March or April, 24 days. So like this is the requirement. So how can we achieve this requirement? Requirement is very simple guys. Logic also is very simple one. Let me build a logic very quickly. External name, casual leave, unit as days, account creation type is recurring, no automation, accrual frequency period is annually. Now account booking offset months, I'm going to enable 3 guys. As of now, you can able to see your account validity is same, booking possibility is same, right? Now let me show you something. I'm enabling 3. Account creation start date, valid from day or month. Go up. Account creation is no automation. Account valid from day of month, month of the year. Come down slowly. Posting order. This is the mechanism. In our previous time account configuration time, there is no account booking offset months enabling, right? The standard behavior, that's why oldest first by validity period. But now we enable, there is a mechanism name called account booking. We are going to increase the account booking months, guys. That means the period we are going to increasing more 3 months apart from the standard 12 months, right, etc. Country or region, no paid processing rule, guys. No time shafts allowed. No balance cannot fall below. We covered this one. We have to discuss external code, casual leave. This is a business rule, guys. We have to discuss. This is a business rule we have to discuss. Some of the fields are automation fields. Then now let me build a logic, guys. Click on plus icon. Why it is not coming? Click on plus. Okay, now it is coming. Okay. Now, so let me build a logic, guys. Casual leave, hire. So the same rule, guys. Whatever the functionality we are going to enable under hire, same to same for reverse termination, guys. Okay, let me go by CL hire rule. So 30D, not a bus number, guys. Max 30 days is my intention. Input logic. We need to query 7 blocks, guys. Customer is expecting the complete 12 days mechanism into 7 blocks or 6 blocks or 4 blocks or 10 blocks, whatever. You need to build a query accordingly. Input logic. If there is a function name called month of year, guys. So which month in a year? Month of year, not day of month. That is in a day, right? I mean, it's in a month, which day? Now, next level. Month of year means in a year, which month we are going to query? Month of year. So 1 indicates January, 12 indicates December, guys. Month of year equal to 1. If, right? January hires. For January hired employees, guys. Select here date. User, where we have hire date field under employment information user level. Employment information. Quite opposite for the termination rule, guys. Month of year equal to 1. That means someone who are living in the month of January. Living means what? Termination date. Termination date. But here hire date. I'm using here hire date. You need to call for that one. Okay, anyway, we have to discuss. Then create time account details, right? Posting date. You can use accrual rule parameters, accruable start date or accrual start date. Accruable or accrual, because it's an annual frequency, right? But recommendation is this one. Start date means accrual start date. Amount posted for January hires 30 days, guys. For January hires straight away 30 days. Generate external code for time off is a function. Posting type is accrual. Posting unit is time account type unit. Don't search here, guys. In the drop down, like this way, drop down hours and days is available. Don't search. You have to navigate like this way. This is for January hires. We have second block, right? February. Add else if, one more if condition. So don't copy and paste, guys, because practice is very, very important. Month of month of year equal to 2, user employment information, hire date, then create time account details, posting date, accrual parameters, accruable start date. What is the second criteria, guys? 27.5 days. 27.5. Generate external code for time off. Posting type is accrual. This one don't call as directly unit, hours or days, guys. You need to click on here, time account type, unit. Right? Now, third block. Coming to the third block, guys, interesting functionality. March or April. March or April. Copy. This is the advantage in the time off mechanism, guys. Paste. Add or logic. Plus icon. Again select here, paste. Change the number. March or April. Here also copy. Output logic, guys. Select here, paste. Change your number of days. Remaining functionality is same, right? Just you can change your number of days as per the logic you are going to build. 24. Else if. One more if condition. Same to same. For May, 20 days, right? Copy. Paste. 20. Else if. What is the next block? June or July or August. June or July or August. 18 days. Else if for the month of 9, nothing but September. Output logic 15. Else if October or November. I would like to go by like this way mechanism, guys. Nine, October or November or December. Yeah, fine. We come across total seven or eight blocks, guys, but I would like to wind up 7 blocks only. Just 5 days only. You may join in the month of October or November or December, that particular year against casual leave quota. You are going to get 5 days only. Keep in your mind, guys, you are going to get 5 days only. Right? Click on save. Else you can modify according to your business needs. So the advantage for copy paste is this is the way, guys. See, now it's a very big rule, but simple one, right? For January hires, so and so balance. For February hires, March or April, again May, June or July or August, again September, again October or November or December. These for hire rule. Same to same. Termination. So reverse amount, guys. You join in the month of January, you are going to get 30 days, the maximum quota. You are leaving next year in the month of February, how you can able to get the 30 days quota? So you are going to get 2.5 days or 5 days or 7 days, something, right? Same to same. Let me build a logic. casual leave, termination rule, input logic, same to same, month of year, equal to 1, date as user, employment information, termination date. So employees who are living in the month of January, create time account details, posting date, accrual parameters, accrual start date, whatever. You are living in the first month itself, right? You are going to get 2.5 days only. Generate external code for time off. This number of days purely business requirement, guys. Forget about the days part. You need to analyze the requirement only. The logic you need to remember. That's it. Posting type is accrual. Posting unit, don't select the drop down. You need to click on here, time account type. We have a field name called unit. Under this unit, whatever the unit you referred, either days or hours, system is going to picking automatically. Same function, else if, one more if condition. So employees who are living in the month of February or March, they are eligible to get 5 days quota. Same fashion, you need to build a logic. Next, how many blocks are available? 7 blocks or 8 blocks. I mean, say 12 months they divide into some blocks, right? But this is a mechanism, guys. That is for while hiring time. This is for leaving the organization, right? Now, if you're an existing employee, this is for at the time of hiring, right? After that, you are an existing employee in the company, accrual rule. So once you are an existing employee, you are eligible to get 30 days, guys, per annum. You are eligible to get casual leave, accrual, any input condition is available, then you can go by if logic. For example, casual leave is applicable so and so employee class, or so and so category people in the company, or so and so band level people, or etc. You need to define. Else, always true, common for everyone in the company. Create time account details, posting date, accrual parameters, accrual start date, decimal 30. So once you are going to click on save, you need to assign this rule, guys. Just you can copy and assign it this rule. Click on save. What is your next responsibility? You need to assign this time account type to respective time type. Then only you can able to see under people profile time information, guys, tab 0 days casual leave. You can able to see under time management 0 days casual leave. So let me assign, guys, casual leave. You can able to assign via time type or time profile as you wish. Now posting priority via rules. Click on save. Let me refresh. Now you can able to see the third one, 0 days casual leave. 0 days casual leave. Same to same, guys. You need to create a account first, then you need to deposit some amount, nothing but accrual. So create new calendar, account creation, CL 2024-25, some name, casual leave, January 1st, 2024, run. Meanwhile, accruals. Accruals we can able to post at a stage only 1 year, guys. So casual leave 2024, with recalculation, save. You need to check the previous job got executed or not, guys. If you can able to see the text over here waiting for others, please wait. No rush, please. It got finished. Now click on run. So what is our target outcome, guys? 2024 casual leave. You can able to request up to March 31st, 2025. 3 months we added additionally. That means 15 months is the validity right now. You can able to utilize your balance up to 15 months. Same fashion, 2025 you can able to use up to March 31st, 2026 because we enabled over there that mechanism, guys. Right? Keep in our mind. Now click on accrual once again. CL 2025, some name, with recalculation. Click on save. Ready to run, run. Okay. Meanwhile, let me open test employee. Let me click on administer time, admin view. Click on time accounts. Now you can able to see two time accounts, casual leave, guys. See 2020, 2024, 2025. Click on 2024, have a look. Now got the difference? Because we enable this mechanism under time account type, account booking offset month 3. So that booking possibility we extended more 3 months, right? Apart from standard December 31st. So now you can able to request up to March 31st, 2025. Then only your account got closed, guys. Before you can't able to close the account, keep in your mind. Because the account validity is available till March 31st, guys. Not December 31st, right? Account validity is December 31st, but booking also available, right? That is the reason once you are going to reach by March 31st, then only you can able to close this account. Keep in your mind, right? Same fashion, 2025, you can able to see 2026. Account validity is 12 months. Booking possibility is 15 months. 12 plus 3, standard 12 months, additionally 3 more months. In the configuration we enabled, right? For this manual field, we can control via business rule is nothing but this is the one, guys. For example, after your configuration, when you are trying to demonstrate your customer is stating that not for 3 months, it is a 6 months. You can't change this manual field, guys. you can achieve via business rule only. Keep in your mind, right? You mentioned 3, but they come back to you. No, as per our policy, recently some amendments are happen in the policy amendments. In that they finalize 6 months, for example. So via business rule, we can able to achieve that requirement. I'll show you practical way. Don't worry, right? Now, people profile. So 30 days casual leave you can able to see. Not only this employee, guys, to whom you assigned another employee like right, McDonald's something, you can go and check. Now, common mechanism nowadays, guys, vacation leave time account. Common mechanism nowadays for every customer in the market based on the seniority, guys. Based on name is differ, whatever. Coach, in my customer's requirement is not a vacation leave, it is for end leave. Okay, just you can change the label. That's it. So vacation leave, guys. So as per the customer's business process, it should be executable based on the seniority, employee seniority within the organization, not for that seniority. Within the company, your seniority. Seniority. Right? Within the company seniority, guys. Right? You joined 3 years back. So 3 years seniority within the company. Someone may join 15 years back. 15 years is senior in the company, guys. Seniority I'm talking about. Right? So again, here also you are going to get some requirements, guys. The seniority, the max days, you may go by 30 days, 40 days, whatever, guys. Just example I'm telling. So in my customer's requirement, the maximum days vacation leave is 40. In my customer's requirement, maximum vacation leave, right, 40. That too few category people only in the company. Even though you are an active employee in the company, you may have 5 to 6 years seniority. You need to cross check whether you belong to that particular band or grade or not. If you are not eligible to that particular band or grade, you are not eligible to get any vacation leave quota, right? It's a purely depends upon the requirement. Now the max days, let me go by 20 days, 30 days, 40 days, whatever, guys, something, right? Or else you can go by the small number also, right? Who is going to stop you here? You can go by small number as well, right? 18 days, right? Whatever. So for 0 to 1 years, guys, couple of blocks again here. For 0 to 1 years, for 0 to 1 years. So 0 up to 1 year. Keep in your mind. 0 up to 1 year, you are going to get 10 days, right? Then 1 to 5 years, minimum 1 up to 5 years. I mean to say here above 1 up to 5 years, right? Keep in your mind, 15 days. Above 5 up to 7 years, 18 days, right? Above 7 up to 9 years, 24 days. Above 9 means what, guys? 10 years, right? Above 9 years means 10 years. 10 years and above, whatever you can call. Max 30 days. So these are requirement, guys, the blocks. So above 9 means what? You completed 9 years. Now you are entering into the 10 year, 10 and above, right? You are in the 10th year or 15th year, 30th year, doesn't matter. Maximum is 30 days. Number of days might be differ from customer to customer, but try to understand the business requirement, right? So this is the concept, guys. So if employees who may have 0 to 1 year experience within the organization, you are eligible to get a quota against vacation leave 10 days per annum. If you are under 1 to 5 years block, 15 days. 5 to 7 years block, 18 days. 7 to 9 years block 24 days. Above 9 years means what? You are under 10th year. 10 and above years whatever, maximum is 30 days. Else, no coach in my customer's requirement 10 to 12, then 12 to 18, then finally 18 to 30. Maximum is 30 years. Yes, you can. But let me show you the requirement, guys. So for that, let me create time type. Hope we already configured the time type, right? Yeah. Sorry. Vacation leave, right? So let me configure time account type functionality, guys. Time account type. Vacation leave, days. Recurring, accrual frequency paid is annual. So if you want, you can enable this one as well, guys. Else, no need. Anyway, we already covered that functionality, right? No need to enable all the leaves. Account creation started, account valid from day or month. Top of the screen, system itself is going to enable 3 fields automatically. One is account creation automation, no automation for time being. Account valid from day of month. Account valid from month of the year, 1 month, January 1st. Posting order, oldest first by. Country or region. External code. Vacation leave. Now let me build a logic, guys. So this time I'm going to introduce one new function, guys. One new function. So at least you need to speak up. Minimum of these 4 to 5 functions is enough, guys. Confidently you need to speak up, right? If you mention in your resume, apart from EC, I'm the part of time tracking team as well, but I know how to configure time off functionality or time management only. Then you are going to get the couple of questions. What are all the important objects you need to configure? Right? What is the hire mechanism? What is the accrual rule mechanism? What is the termination rule mechanism? What kind of functions you use in your customer's requirement? You need to reveal some business requirement, some requirement, not as it is, some requirement. So what kind of function? What does carries that function? If you know thoroughly about that function, you can speak up, guys. Don't use for time being, I know some function date plus, I know some function day of month, I know some function month of the year, I know some function difference in calendar years, or some other function, etc. So accrual, vacation leave, input logic. So let me build a block by block, guys. So we have total 1 2 3 4 5 blocks. The first one, input logic, the first one, we have a function name called difference in calendar years, guys. Difference in calendar years. For this, these two are the relevant one, guys. Anyway, I'm going to share you the business rules implementation guide, the PDF book. Additionally, I'm going to share you some other rules, guys, for practice and training education purpose. Keep it with you. Don't share with anyone, please. It's your property, right? Keep it with you. It's a competitive world, guys. So please no need to share to someone, and you no need to get any good name in the market. Get yourself a good job in the market with one cubicle in the MNC company. That's it. So difference in calendar years less than or equal to 1. Please apply your small maths over here. Less than or equal to 1. I mean to say equal to 1 means 0 to 1, guys. Equal to 1 means 0 to 1 is the meaning of that. Less than or equal to 1. Keep in our mind. Equal to 1 means 0 to 1. From date is nothing but employee hire date. From date is nothing but employee hire date. To date is nothing but whenever you are going to post a balance. By that time, how many years you have completed within the organization, system is going to count in the background automatically based on your hire date field, guys. So let me go by employment information. We have a field name called hire date. To date is nothing but when you are going to post a balance, the moment you are going to run the calendar, whenever if you are going to run the calendar, by that time system is going to calculate. Accrual rule parameters, you can use accruable start date or accrual start date. Recommendation is this one. Then create time account details, posting date, when you would like to post a balance, accrual rule parameters, accrual start date, amount posted. What is our first block, guys? In our first block, 10 days. Generate external code for time off, posting type is accrual. So at any cost you need to remember these 5 fields in your mind, guys. That's it. Else if. Second block, guys. Better don't copy, guys. Even though if I'm going to copy, but while you guys are doing practice, don't copy, guys, please. Practice purpose, better you can call for the function. At least you should know that navigation, right? Here concept is navigation is very, very important, guys. How to call the function, how to build a logic is very, very important, right? Less than or equal to 5. It means up to 5. Now you have a query. Coach, up to 5 means which 5? Above 1 up to 5. How my system knows up to 1? The previous logic will take care of that requirement. Above 1 up to 5 years. Employment information, hire date field, accrual parameters, accrual start date. Then create time account details, accrual rule parameters, decimal. What is our second block, guys? 12 days, right? Okay. Okay, let me go by 12 or 15, whatever. Generate external code for time off. It should be accrual kind, and it is time account type, unit, same to same. Else if. Copy. Above 5 up to 7 years. Above 5 up to 7 years. 18 days, right? Then above 7 up to 9 years. $24 days. And finally, less than or equal to 9, right? 7 is over, 5 is over, 7 block is over, 9 block is over. Okay. Else if. Right? 10 and above. Greater than or equal to. 10 years equal to 10, above 10. Greater than equal to. So equal to 10 years. That means above 9 means what? You are entering into the 10th year. Okay. 10 years of seniority within the company. Someone who may have 11 years. That means above 10. Equal to 10, above 10. Greater than or equal to. Click on save. See, 0 to 1 years, this block will take care of the responsibility, guys. Above 1 up to 5 years, this block will take care of that responsibility. right? Above 5 up to 7 years, right? Above 7 up to 9 years, above 9, that means you are under 10th year, above 10th year, you are going to get, this is the final balance, right? This is the concept, guys. So this one you need to modify, guys. Sorry, same to same reverse rule, guys. Termination rule means you need to modify when someone is leaving the organization. People who may have experience, for example, in your company up to 30 years is maximum, guys. Someone 0 to 1 year person, you may have experience within the company, 1 year experience. When you are leaving the organization, how much balance you are going to get? Someone who may have 10 years experience, seniority, sorry, within the company, when you are leaving the organization, how much balance you are going to get is nothing but time account, user information, sorry, user employment information, termination date, some reverse rule, guys. That's it, right? That is the reason I'm not going to build here, guys. Click on save. Don't worry. Now let me assign. So this time again via time profile. One is time profile, one is time type. Edit. Make sure works order deduction quantity. You need to call for enable via rules. Click on save. Done. Let me refresh. Concept remains same. You need to create a, means you need to open one bank account and you need to deposit some amount. So create account first. For closing purpose, annual leave. Okay. So this one I'm going to create only one account, guys. I'm not going to create two accounts, is not required. Testing purpose, I'm going to create only one account. If you want, while you guys are doing practice, you can create multiple accounts. One more thing, guys. For this particular scenario, you need to hire, right, minimum 5 to 6 test employees, guys. One employee 20 years backdated, hire date. How much he or she is going to get the balance right now? 10 years back, 5 years back, 2 years back, and current year hire. That means 0 to 1. Whatever the blocks you build, based on that you need to hire. 5 years back dated, 1 year back dated, I might say current year, 7 years back dated, 9 years back dated, about 10 years back dated. You need to hire test employees. You need to test it. If your rule is correct, if you are going to get for one particular block, same to same other scenarios as well, guys. But even though you are a subject matter expert, if you may have such kind of requirement in your customers business needs, you need to do that process at any cost. So don't blame me that time trainer did not explain this functionality, so that we tested for only one scenario. No. So I would like to go by vacation leave straight away 2025, guys. Current year I would like to execute. I'm creating account as well current year, guys. January 1st to accrual. Once it got finished, then only you need to click on run, guys. No rush, please. Click on run. Now let me click on administer time. Time accounts. See, guys, vacation leave. vacation leave 15 days. So 15 days means 1 to 5 years block. Now when this employee joined, you need to cross check 1 to 15 years. I mean say above 1 year up to 5 years seniority. As you build a logic, maximum 15 days eligibility for the vacation leave. Now go and check this employee date of joining, hire date. If he or she joined 6 months back, your rule is wrong straight away, right? Under employment information, May 10, 2023. Now you can count it how many years. 2023, 1 year. 2024, May 10, 1 year. Again, May 10, 20 means you crossed more than 2 years, right? Right now we are under May 29. That means more than 19 days. I mean say 2 years, 18 days or 19 days. As of today you joined. So okay, let's go by 2 years. Above 1 means what? Above 1 to 5 means you are under this block, right? 2 years means above 1 to 5. Correct, right? That's why you got 15 days balance. Sorry. Time management. Now see, 15 days vacation leave. Current year we executed, guys, not for the last year. If you are trying to execute the last year means system is going to calculate by that time how many years seniority you may have within the company, either you or someone, etc. Right? Now end leave time account. Right? So this time customer may have some different requirement, guys. Coming to the end leave. So end leave, privileged leave, whatever the options type, guys. Right? So let me reveal the customer's requirement. Customer is stating that very crystal clear. I would like to post a balance end leave. I would like to post a balance end leave maximum 18 days per annum. It means what? Monthly 1.5 days. Correct, right? 12 months. Again, I'm repeating, in our customer's business requirement, guys, end leave time account is there. They mention very crystal clear. We would like to give or post a balance against each and every employee's account, maximum 18 days per annum. It means monthly 1.5 days. But the prompt, I mean, sir, but the boundary is some restriction. Any typing mistake, don't mind. Right? After employee hired, I mean to say, after employee hired, right, later 6 months we would like to post a balance. Here 6 or 9 or 12, 24 is purely their requirement. In my customer's requirement 6 months, that's why I mentioned 6. Not immediately, guys. After you hired 6 months, later you are going to get the balance. As of now, you are eligible to get a balance once you onboarded to the company, right? But in this scenario, not immediately after you joined, right? Employee hire, right? After 6 months, you are eligible to get and leave. For example, someone may join in the month of January 2025, whatever the date, guys. So 6 months means what? January, February, March, April, May, June. So up to June, no balance, because that is a mechanism. Effective from July 2025 onwards, you are going to get 1.5 day per month. So this 1.5, 2.5, 4 days per month doesn't matter, right? This is the requirement. So for this particular scenario, success factors delivered under time account types, guys, 2 separate fields. Under time account type, 2 separate fields. Let me show you, please wait. So for this, first we need to create a time type, guys. We don't have any time type. Then we need to create time account type. Then we need to map it, etc. See, we don't have any time type. Let me create time type first. and leave. I'm not calling any workflow, guys, but make sure you need to call for the workflow. Okay, let me call the workflow. Days, country or region, classification is options, collision grouping, requesting on non-working days is allowed, no, undetermined end date allowed, no. So time type configuration functionality we covered in our last session. Please go to the recording. If you have any queries, please come back to me. If your unit is days, look for this field, full day booking, work schedule, yes, admin workflow, external code, and leave. Right, click on save. Now let me create time account type, guys. And one more important thing, guys, you need to maintain, please make a note in the real time, you need to maintain here default value and customer country language. If not, default value and English US. Days, account creation type is recurring, accrual frequency, period is monthly. In your requirement itself, they mention after employee hired later 6 months, we would like to post a balance. So it is monthly only. Then let me fill the priority fields first, guys. Account creation start date, no automation, day of month, month of the year, posting order, country, PEP rule, interim account update rule, then and leave. Now, success factors delivered for this means for this particular scenario, guys, two fields. See, time from hire to first accrual. What is the time unit? If new hires don't start to accrue time off right away, but only after a specific period, I mean to say, they won't get the balance immediately once they are onboarded to the company. After some period, might be later 6 months, 3 months, 10 months, 9 months, 12 months. If you would like to post a balance, you need to use this particular functionality. Time from hire to first accrual, when they would like to get a balance, later 6 months. If you want, you can go by 9 months, 10 months, 3 months, whatever you want. Time unit, is it 6 months or weeks or days or years? After 1 year only, then make it there 1, here years. After 300 days, here 300, here days, else months. Right? Time from hire to first accrual. After hiring 6 months only, right? Later 6 months only, they are eligible to get a quota. Now let me build a hire rule, guys. Now EL hire rule, if so there is a function is available, guys, success factors pre-delivered. Based on the hire date to till date, we can able to calculate based on the hire date. So there is a function name called get number of months from hire date. Calculate remaining months between hire date to end date. Get number of months from hire date. Means what? After 6 months only you are eligible to get a quota, right? That's what your requirement, right? You would like to post a balance after employee joined later 6 months. So above 6 months. No coach later 1 year, then greater than 12. That means after 12 months, right? Keep in our mind. Start date is nothing but employee hire date. User employment information, end date is nothing but today. Whenever if you are trying to post a balance, by that time system is going to cross check. For example, today I'm trying to execute, guys. By this time, whether you completed 6 months or not in the company, that means you covered, I mean to say, you joined as of today, 6 months is over or not. If not, you are not eligible to get a balance. For example, in the last month itself, you got completed 6 months, right? By this month, you are eligible to get a quota. Again, hire date, employment information, hire date. Now, including hire month, yes or no? Including hire month means January, February, March, April, May, June, 6 months. Including hire month no means system is going to calculate from February onwards, February to 6 months. In our example, employee got hired on January month, guys. Including hire month means including hire month to 6 months. Including hire month no means, for example, you got hired on January month. System is going to calculate the 6 months concept from February onwards when it is going to get completed 6 months. It depends upon the customer business needs. Basically, it's yes only. They may ask you to enable yes, else it depends. Then create time account details, posting date. So it's a monthly frequency, accrual parameters, accruable start date, amount posted you can go by straight away. 18 days means 1.5 days. You can go by 1.5. Coach, I don't know basic mathematics. I can't count it because I'm coming from different stream. It's very simple. There is a function name called dividend. Sorry, divide. Dividend by divisor. Dividend is nothing but your total quota days. Divisor is nothing but your frequency. What is your frequency? Monthly. Monthly means how many months in a year? 12. 18 by 12 means 1.5 days only. If you don't know the decimal calculation, guys, straight away 1.5 days or 1 days, 1.2 days. Sometimes this is the recommended mechanism, guys. Why? Because your quota is 21 days. So how you can able to maintain per month, guys? 21 days. 24 means you can say straight away 2 days. 21 days means 1.75. Or sometimes your quota will be, just example I'm telling, 17 days is the quota. 17 by 12. 1.41667. If you are trying to maintain 1.417, you are going to get more than 17 days, right? See, 1.417. If I round it to 417 or 42, after 0.2 decimals, if I'm rounded to 1.42 into 12 months, 17.04 days. It's not correct. Adjustment purpose is very difficult, guys. Tomorrow they would like to adjust that roundings is very difficult. That is the reason. Better you can use in that particular scenario divide function, dividend by divisor. Dividend is nothing but your total quota days. Divisor is nothing but the frequency. If it's a monthly, 12 months. If it's a weekly, 52 weeks in a year. Bi-weekly, 26 times. Twice monthly, 6 times. Generate external code for time off. Posting type is accrual. Posting unit as time account type unit. Right? Click on save. While hiring time, system will look for such kind of business rule, guys. Once you hire, that means you are an existing employee in the company, so you are eligible to get accrual base per month until you put down the papers. Termination. So end leave accrual max 18 days or 18D. Continue. Now again, guys, if we have any kind of input parameters, this end leave is applicable for only apprentice, or lower level management, some category people or etc., you need to call for if so and so. So this particular requirement you are going to get in the real time, guys. Why? Because here we don't have such kind of fields. Even though if I'm trying to call, I don't know our test employee belongs to which pay grade, which employee class, and which band level. I don't know. That is the reason I'm not filling any input logic, guys. Concept remains same. Then create time account details, posting date, accrual rule parameters, accruable start date, amount posted, such kind of number better you can call divide function. Dividend, total quota days, division, frequency, monthly, 12 months. Generate external code for time off, time account type is accrual kind, posting unit as time account type unit. Click on save. Confirmation message is not an error. If you want, we can refer that message what exactly. Right? Now let me assign this time account type to respective time type, guys. Let me check for test employee. Let me refresh. Let me navigate to time account type. Sorry, time management. Guys, where is my here 0 days end leave? Where is my end leave here? I can't able to see the end leave. Any reason? Why I can't able to see the end leave? Any queries? Any questions, please? Guys, why I can't able to see here my end leave? Any idea? No idea?
Need to run calendar.
No. Any other answer? Think logically. The previous time accounts, we already assigned the respective time profile, guys. I mean say time accounts assigned to time types and time types is assigned to respective time profile. So this is our new time type, right? There is no association with the time profile. Have a look. There is no association. These are the possibility errors in the real time, guys. Possibility errors I mentioned. So it means what? You need to cross check whether the particular time type is assigned to the respective time profile or not. Let me assign the time profile and leave details. Self-service yes. Code is 05. Save. It's a confirmation message because you are trying to assign the effective dated portlet. It is stating that such kind of message. Now you can able to see 0 days end leave. 0 days end leave. So for testing purpose, what I will do, so this employee joined, when this employee joined in the month of May 10, 2023. Let me execute testing purpose 2023 calendar, guys. So current year, this fellow is going to get 18 days, guys. Why? Because now this employee, existing employee, right? Think logically. We would like to test the application employee joining time to 6 months. If system can able to post a balance May to next 6 months, your rule is wrong. If system is trying to post a balance after employee height later 6 months, I mean the 7th month onwards, your rule is correct. Right? Makes sense, right? Now what I will do, let me create 2023 account. Right? So EL 2023. Because the frequency is monthly, guys. That's why you can able to see 12 calendars. This is the way you need to do the unit testing, guys. Current year you can able to get the outcome because we build a logic first 6 months there is no balance. So 2023 high date means right now we are in 2025, that to May, almost 2 years. After 6 months means more than 1.5 year. 1.5 year means right almost 2 years, right? So that is the reason you can able to get the outcome in the current year. So let me execute in the month of 2023. Let's see. Time management. Give me 5 minutes. We'll wind up the session, guys. Time account. You can able to see 2023 account, guys. And leave 2023 account. Right? Let me execute one by one calendar. So this fellow joined in the month of May. Right? Keep in our mind. If you want, you can run the previous months, guys, but that time our employees is not there, right, in the system. So before May, there is no employees in the system, guys. Our 2 employees are joined. One is May 2023. That lady joined 2024. So that is the reason I am executing, guys. 6, 7, 8, 9, May, June, July, August, September, October. Okay. Let me refresh. May, this fellow joined. No balance. June month, no balance. July month, no balance. August, no balance. September, no balance. Then October calendar. See, guys, 6 months there is no balance, right? Including higher month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months no balance. Logic is correct, right? So this is the way we need to test it, guys. If you are trying to execute for current year means you are going to get 18 days for this employee and that lady both, because both are existing employees, right? So that is the reason this is the way we need to go and check the unit testing, guys. Right? Now if I'm trying to execute the remaining months, for example 11 and 12, you are going to get the balance 1.5 days, 1.5 days, 3 days is available for that 2023 account, the available balance, guys. So May to October, 6 months, guys. You are not eligible to get a quota as per the logic we build. You are eligible to get a quota from November and December. See, November calendar got executed. Once December calendar got executed, now you can able to see